right, so we're over here. Like I said, this is a load that's actually going to our offsite build. You can see we have our Tri-Force. These are trimmable floor joists. You can see they're an open web truss. They're an all wood component, but you can see here it has that OSB trimmable piece down at the end there, so these guys can trim them and put them together here. They already come with the band joist on there, and they're not only prefabricated and put on the truck, but they're put on so that the very first floor system that we want to use in the far corner will be the one at the very top. So they get placed on the truck, you can see, in order of importance. So you have floor panel 3, 4, 5, and 6. Floor panels 1 and 2 will subsequently go on top of this, so that panel 1 is the first one off the truck. It gets lifted and put in place. The guys aren't on at the job site saying, oh, which panel goes where, right? They know that that one is the one that goes over in the far corner, and then they take that off. The other cool thing is that, trying to find a location for it here, you can see inside the system here, there's these blocks, and they have a hole in them there, and those are an unconventional blocking, but what you're actually looking at is those are the lifting blocks. So that hole gets drilled through the subfloor. They'll drop down a bolt, put a nut on there, and then that's how they lift the panel and get it over into place, so they can just drop it down and then detach that coupling and be there. So those of you wondering, we're out here in Central Massachusetts, and the company we're working with for our offsite fabrication is Harvest Homes. They're in upstate New York, just outside of Albany. They travel a couple hundred miles. We're probably about 220 miles from them. Here, 200 miles. But you can see we got a panel in the air. And, it's neat that their tractor trailers have their own cranes on them. So, getting them out here, the panels, they're not light if I had to carry it, but for that crane, it's pretty much light duty work. And you can see over here, we got the guys awaiting panel number 2. And, they got their subfloor adhesive, and I think we should be able to zoom in, but you can see it's all set up. So that the subfloor overlaps just like it would overlap if we were doing the project as a stick frame right here. But we're just flying them in at 19 foot by 8 foot panels. You can see I'll zoom out a little here. We got that one panel coming in. Looks like they got to spin it around. Oh, it's on the right side there. And, get that number 2 panel in, and then I'll head down there and we'll catch the number 3 panel coming in from above. So yeah, so there you go. I would love to tell you seamless fit, so I'm going to tell you seamless fit. Man, honestly, I don't know if you could do much better if you stick that here. So, all right, panel number 2 in. We're flying in floor assemblies. Figured I'd take a walk down here, and I'm gonna go the other way. And yeah, we're flying them in. Trying to walk around the building here and catch that panel getting installed. Got a little swinging action there. Little jog in the wall happening there, or jog in the floor, sorry. You can see that. And go down here. We will follow it to its final resting place. Yeah, so there it is. This is a test. Let's see their accuracy here. And it's right there. On the money. Oh. Final adjustment. And got that panel in. Take a quick walk around here. The corner. All right. Yeah, you got to see that panel fly in. Steve Basic Architect. Yeah, we're out here at our offsite build.